And there we go. Not the best way to start a trip. Hey there, Walt here from Walton, PA. Stopped on the side of the road, actually for two reasons. Number one was I left the gas station right over there and heard this awful sort of siren sort of noise, and I could tell that it was coming from me. Here I had my Apple Watch on, and whenever I wear my Apple Watch with my gloves, the gloves have a tendency to hold down the button, the emergency button. So the watch was squawking at me to you know, did I have an emergency? Did I want to dial 911? So I had to like hustle over here, pull over, tell it no, and pull the watch off my wrist, put it in my pocket. And then while I was doing that, I thought, oh, you know, I'll start the camera and this will be where the video begins. Only the Osmo didn't have an SD card in it. What do you know? Forgot to put it back in. So, an adventurous start to today's trip. And I forgot to zip up my coat, jacket, whatever you want to call this thing. Today's been an interesting day, right? This is Saturday morning. It's beautiful out, aside from the fact that it's bone-chilling cold. And my wife took the day off. Normally she'd be working today, so suddenly I was presented with this crazy opportunity to go out for a ride that I wasn't expecting. We have plans this afternoon, so I thought, well, you know what, I'm gonna get out in the morning, I'm gonna have fun, it's gonna be great, I'm gonna make the most of a spur of the moment free Saturday. So I checked the weather, sure enough, no rain. And then I headed over to Discord to post in the group ride section that we have going, and I said, hey, does anyone want to go with me to check out this new coffee shop tomorrow? And I posted a picture of the weather. Now the feels like temperature at 8 o'clock this morning was supposed to be something like 26 degrees, 26, 28 degrees, and it was supposed to get up to, I think, the 40s by 11 o'clock or so. But you know, I posted that thinking like, yeah, my ride or dies are gonna go with me. We're gonna brave the cold. It's gonna be amazing. And one by one, everyone's got something to do.
I can't do it 2 nights in a row because the way that my bank account is set up.
So anyway, I was planning on going and checking out this new coffee roaster. Man, this ride is just not going well. So anyway, I was going to go check out this new coffee roaster out in the Kutztown area. They renovated like an old general store. It's called Firehouse Coffee Roasters, and it looked really cool. I wanted to check it out, but I actually opted not to because I didn't know how bearable the cold was going to be, because I wanted to go early. It's 10 o'clock now. It's considerably warmer than it was earlier on. It's still in the 30s right now. I think it was 32 when I left. So instead of running out to the coffee roasters, I think we're going to save that for another weekend when maybe I can get one of the guys to go with me. And then today I'm going to check out this place called the Geigertown Railroad that PAX riders on Instagram told me about. So it's not that far from home. It gives me an opportunity to ride some cool back roads on the way there, and well, I'll see if I can find it. I did plug it into Rever. Rever did not like the street address. It kept kicking it and wanting me to go to Geigertown Road. So I decided to just not use the turn-by-turn directions on Rever, and instead I'll just try to find it on my own. Speaking of which, there's a railroad bridge for the Colebrookdale Railroad. We found it. I think I'm just gonna pull down here a little bit, see if I can find a place to park. Actually, I might just park in the church parking lot. Actually, I'm so indecisive. Oh, I go here. Man, maybe I'll go there. Oh, maybe I'll go this other place. It's gravel Trekkie moto. I may not chance it. Might not want to chance it. Well, folks, that was the Geigertown Railroad. Pretty cool place. I don't know who owns it, whether it's the trucking company across the street or that home over there. But there's quite a bit here, and there's more than just railroad stuff. You know, I can see some trailers and stuff. That's why I think maybe it's owned by the trucking company across the street. But it's pretty cool that it's just kind of sitting over here. A lot of old history. Neat stuff. So anyway, that's going to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please consider subscribing to the Walt in PA channel. If you'd like to support me, the best way to do that is by giving this video a like, dropping a comment in the comment section down below, and sharing it with your friends. As always, ride safe, and I will catch you in the next one.